Hi everyone, so Rivaj has launched 18 new formulations of serums which are called the Glow Getter serums, and I have received these 4.
Most brands have a very limited range, but Rivaj launching 18 serums is a game changer. Everyone has something for their skin concern. From retinol to snail, vitamin C, aloe vera, all in affordable prices. Aloe vera serum soothes and hydrates the skin while providing anti-inflammatory benefits. Mandelic acid 10% provides anti-aging and anti-wrinkle benefits while brightening the skin. Retinol 0.5% restores the skin by reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Rose serum brightens the skin, improves texture and reduces inflammation.
I absolutely love all the serums from the Glow Getter range. You should go and get your hands on them. Available at departmental stores, also online at rivajuk.com.